Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of mensuration. This is first question of its exercise 10.2. So the question says that find the areas of the following figures by counting squares. तो हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है बाय काउंटिंग स्क्वायर. सो द पार्ट ए इज, सो हम यहाँ पे स्क्वायर्स काउंट करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. सो एरिया विल बी 9 square unit. Part B is 1 2 3 4 5. So area will be 5 square unit. 1 2, so 2 fully covered, and 1 2 3 4 4 half covered. So 4 half covered means 2 fully covered. So then 2 plus 2 equal to 4 square unit. D 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So area will be 8 square unit. E 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the area will be 10 square unit. F 1 2, so 2 plus half half ये 1 हो जाएगा, and half half ये भी 1 हो जाएगा. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4 square unit. Area of figure B. Figure F. Then G. So fully covered देखेंगे firstly 1 2 3 4. So 4 fully covered plus 1 2. So ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास half, 2 half covered is equal to 1, and 1 2. So ये हो जाएगा 1 1 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So जाएगा 4 plus 2 equal to 6 square unit. Area of figure G. H 1 2 3 4 5. So area will be 5 square unit. I 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So area will be 9 square unit. J 1 2. So 2 fully covered plus 1 2. 2 half covered means 1. Same 2 half covered equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So area of figure J is equal to 4 square unit. So 1 2 3 4. So 4 fully covered plus 2 half. So 2 half मिलकर जाएगा 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 square unit. So next L. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 fully covered है. So 2 plus and more than half filled is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So plus 6. So more than half को हम एज ए फुल काउंट करेंगे, एंड लेस देन हाफ को हम काउंट नहीं करेंगे. तो ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 square unit. Then M. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 fully covered, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So more than half filled. तो इसे हम एज अ फुल काउंट करेंगे तो हो जाएगा हमारे पास 5 plus 9 is equal to 14 square unit. 10 n. So fully filled square is 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus more than half filled is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 square unit. So that's our final answer. Thank you.